Filipina, host, actress, singer, and producer, whose charismatic and eloquence have made her a household name. With almost 3 decades of experience in the entertainment industry, she has graced the country's biggest stages and screens, known for her authenticity, wit, and magnetic presence. Beyond her artistry, Tony is a woman of deep Christian faith. Her boldness in sharing her love for Christ has inspired so many. And she continues to use her platform to uplift, encourage, and point others towards hope and purpose. Whether moderating a meaningful conversation, or leading a celebration, Tony brings grace, conviction, and joy to every moment. Ladies and gentlemen, our panel interview host, please welcome Sister Tony Gonzaga.
Yun na, akit na.
Welcome.
Kamag-anak ni Marcos yung asawa niya.
Let me introduce you
Yung director.
to special ladies.
Oo. Di ba siya ang lahat nag-direct ng mga ano ni
Is a woman
BBM?
who embodies lifelong learning, resilience, and holistic living. Maricel Laksa Pangilinan is an award-winning actress, author, columnist, a longtime advocate of health, wellness, and family life. She is also the co-author of the marriage book entitled Marriage is a Marathon, which now extends into a podcast on Spotify and YouTube, where she shares insights on marriage, discipline, partnerships drawn from lived experiences. These reflections are deeply informed by her journey of training, racing, recovering from 19 marathons she ran around the world. Maricel is also a 6th World Marathon major finisher in 6 countries. I'm not going to name them all. She holds also a master's degree in family life and child development from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, and a doctorate in theology from the College of Global Development in Washington State. For decades, Maricel has been actively involved in conducting parenting and family life seminars, offering grounded, compassionate insights shaped by both professional training and her personal life as a wife and mother. And joining her on stage is her daughter, Hannah, one of the Philippines' top content creators in the wellness space. Hannah Pangilinan has engaged with over 1 million followers across platforms through her Spotify original podcast, Purecast, documentary-like YouTube videos, various public speaking engagement, and most recently, the launch of her Run Club and Fun Club, Just One. Hannah's creative endeavors aim to inspire the Filipino youth towards self-discovery and artistic expression. Please welcome on stage Miss Maricel Laksa Pangilinan and her daughter, Hannah. Yes, amongst all of that, Maricel also was my co-host once upon a time.
Thank you so much, That direction is super impressive. Us, Miss Maricel. Grabe. But anyway, we are here with Miss Maricel and of course Hannah for National Bible Day because we will be talking about the impact of raising your kids and having the Word of God as an anchor in your family life. And we were talking about it a while ago, backstage, that you have such a beautiful family dynamics, how you take your kids, how you have this special family culture that you guys have. But I want to ask Ms. Maricel, how important is it to teach your kids the Word of God at a very early stage of their lives.
Masarap yun.
Magandang hapon naman. Yes, magandang hapon.